Hello friends, welcome back to my channel AY Kitchen. So guys, today we'll be making this delicious kadai mushroom recipe. You can also call it mushroom masala or kadai mushroom, and this is a must try recipe guys. It's so delicious, I really cannot explain in words. So let's go ahead and begin with the recipe. So friends, as you can see, I have here half capsicum or green bell pepper that I'm chopping roughly. So I'm chopping this into thick squares, as you can see. Also, we'll take one onion and chop it roughly as well. Similarly, we'll be cutting thick squares out of the onion as well. Also, for this recipe, we'll need 4 finely chopped onions. I'm using finely chopped onions. If you wish to, you can also prepare a paste of onions in the grinder. However, I'm doing finely chopped onions so that I can get a coarse textured gravy. Also guys, if you wish to purchase the chopper that I'm using for the recipe, you can check out the link in the description box. I'm also finely chopping 2 green chilies. However, if you do not like your food to be extra spicy, you can definitely reduce the green chilies. Now, as you can see, I have taken here 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and we'll saute the green peppers or the capsicum in it. I like to make it a bit brownish, but if you do not want it to be extra cooked, you can definitely add them raw or even cook them just slightly. I like to cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes until they turn brownish. And friends, if you wish to purchase this cookware set and the spatula set, feel free to check out the link in the description box. As you can see here, the capsicum or the bell peppers are almost done now. They are properly cooked on both the sides. So now we'll take them off the flame, and then we'll be using the same oil and the same pan to saute the onions as well. We'll cook the onions on high flame, and we'll cook them only for about 1 to 2 minutes as the onions tend to get soggy quickly. So as you can see, I'm continuously stirring it and cooking it on a high flame. So once the onions are done, we'll keep them aside and we'll use the same pan to continue the rest of our recipe. To the same pan, we'll add another tablespoon of oil and also add a tablespoon of dried curry leaves. If you have fresh curry leaves, feel free to use them. Along with this, we'll also add a tablespoon of mustard seeds and give it a nice stir, and we'll wait for the mustard seeds to crackle and then add the green chilies. Next, we'll also add the finely chopped onions. Remember, we are only adding the finely chopped onions and not the square shaped onions. So add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice mix and let the mixture cook until it turns goldenish. In the meantime, we'll also finely chop 2 tomatoes in the same chopper. You can also prepare a tomato puree if you wish to. The onion mixture has started turning a bit goldenish, but we are going to cook this for another 10 to 15 minutes until this turns a bit more brownish. So as of now, as you can see, it has started turning brownish. So we'll add the tomatoes as well. Give it a nice mix and then let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes again. Also add 2 tablespoons of salt or salt as per taste along with a tablespoon of turmeric. Mix it properly and let it cook for a while. While the mixture is being cooked, we'll also chop the mushrooms. I'm using 300 grams of mushrooms here. We'll chop the mushrooms into big pieces. Do not chop the mushrooms very fine, as it might lead to the mushrooms being dissolved in the gravy. As you can see now, mixture is ready. So we'll add the chopped mushrooms to it as well. Give it a nice mix and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meantime, we'll dry roast a tablespoon of cumin seeds and 7 to 8 cloves. Roast them on a low flame until it turns a bit brownish, and then we'll cover and let it cool for a while. In order to prepare the spice mix, we'll add a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 10 to 12 seeds of black pepper, and also the roasted cumin and cloves, and we'll grind them finely into a powder. Once the mushrooms are well cooked, we'll add the spice mixture along with a pinch of cinnamon to it. We'll also add almost 2 cups of milk to it. You can adjust the quantity of milk according to the amount of gravy that you need. To this, we'll add the chopped capsicum and the onions and let this mixture cook. We'll allow the gravy to come to a boil and then let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Also add 2 tablespoons of dried fenugreek leaves or kasturi methi and stir it properly and let this cook for another 5 minutes. And then guys, your delicious kadhai mushroom is ready. So guys, definitely give this recipe a try and also let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. And friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. और दोस्तों, अगर आप चाहते हो कि ये रेसिपी मैं हिंदी में भी अपलोड करूँ तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा। धन्यवाद।